welcome back to Matthew Vlogs. Headed to work right now. Evidently there's supposed to be a snowstorm coming. This says at 9, it's just gonna get like 100% snow, so we'll see. Yay, time for work. It started snowing. I'm just in back here organizing. It's definitely winter storming or whatever you call this. Car is already covered. Thank goodness I have a remote start installed on my car. I gotta get this to exchange. I shall be back. This weather is crazy. So much snow. Snow! Oh, it's so nice! How come whenever it snows it's always so quiet? Or it just feels quiet? The Subi made it. I made it. Okay. That was actually pretty sick. Let me do it again. Just in case. Break an ankle. Oh my God! Switched over to the GoPro. It's time to go outside. Christmas lights are on. There we go. So I'm going down again. Going down the boogie board, down the steps. It's a little dark, color correction probably helped it out. Oh! 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 I was able to do it. I was able to go down snowboarding style. It's so snowy, I freaking love it. Look at the lights. Hopefully you can see me. Alright, now I'm gonna try and hold it like this and then go down. Whoa! Hopefully no one saw that. Stay afoot. I just came up with an idea. Check me out now. Flashlight. So now you should be able to see me. Being able to get on the hill. But I have my tripod this time, so I can actually set the camera down, hold the flashlight, and whatnot. It's a pretty good flashlight. Polo, thank you for this. It's really warm. I gotta bring you. Let's go. Let's go. I like going in the woods. I built a fort in here. It's a lot darker on camera. In person I can see perfectly fine. There's someone's house is over there. Past. It's like, let's see. Oh shit. Oh jeez. Shit. Freaking slipping like crazy. It's pretty dark in here. It looks so cool with the flashlight. Like the snow. Oh, I'm getting back up. There's no point in me being in here. Whoa! Every time. Snow angel. We just have one problem. Whenever I got back up, my keys went somewhere. And I thought I had them zipped up in my pocket, but I guess not. And because I heard them whenever oops. And because I heard them fall in my pocket, so. This is so annoying. Oh! I got it. I found my keys. I literally checked in the woods too. That was like 45 minutes of looking. I gotta make sure they actually work still. Holy crap. It is covering. The man literally just came over here and scraped. Look at that. Let's see if it'll... Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. The key should be like proof of something. I don't know. It's time for another match reviews. What could it be? What could it be? Oh my. Oh my, yes. Polo bear with blue buffalo plaid and green buffalo plaid. Whoosh! Ta-da! It's so nice. It's so nice. It's so nice. But yes, definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Definitely click the link down below to get yourself one as well. What else can I say? Comfortable, great color. They barely ever have colors in this for bear stuff. And yeah, hopefully it doesn't shrink. Link in the description down below for the sweatshirt. Make sure you check it out. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.